thanksgiving be every moment thine. I welcome each and every one of you to the house of God. This is Bethel for us. Genesis chapter 28:17 says, this is Bethel, the gateway of heaven. Jesus is the door of the sheep, and he is with us. I am the good shepherd, and I am the door for all the sheep. John chapter 10, verse 11 says, I am the good shepherd, and the good shepherd lays down his life for another sheep, or all the sheep. And verse 9 says, I am the door for the sheep. They have to come, they have to go out. So Jesus is the door. I am the gate. Whoever enters by me will be saved and will come in and go out and find pasture. Hallelujah. So Jesus is our door towards heaven. And he is our good shepherd guiding us towards heaven. And he is a good friend. Today the whole world celebrate the Valentine Day, their friend's day, or someone very special or dear to them. They greet them. But Jesus is the one who is very dear to us and very special to us. According to John chapter 15, verse 15, I call you as friends. So Jesus considered us not servants nor slaves, but we are friends of Jesus Christ, and he is a good friend. Let us read together John chapter 15, verse 15. It gives a lot of meaning to today's celebration. Let us read together. I do not call you servants any longer, because the servant does not know what the master is doing. But I have called you friends, because I have made known to you everything that I have heard from my Father. So Jesus is our good shepherd. He is the gate of heaven, and he is our best friend. So Jesus is something or someone as a special for us and special friend for us. And if we have a friendship with Jesus, if we have a good relationship with Jesus, rest of the things are only free gift. Matthew chapter 6, verse 33. Seek his kingdom, he and his kingdom, rest of the